Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Easy Finance Tips, your go-to destination for making smart money moves. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance, helping you make informed decisions on credit cards, online savings accounts, and personal loans. Stick around until the end because we've got some fantastic recommendations that could save you money and earn you some extra perks. Let's get started. Credit cards. First up, credit cards. We all know the market is flooded with options, and choosing the right one can be overwhelming. That's why we've done the legwork for you and narrowed down some top choices for different needs. Let's take a look. Citi R. Double Cash Card. If you love earning cash back on every purchase, the Citi R Double Cash Card might be your best bet. It offers 2% cash back on everything you buy, with no annual fee and a tempting 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 18 months. Chase Slate R Card. For those looking to pay off debt faster, the Chase Slate R card allows you to transfer balances from other cards with no interest or fees for the first 15 months. Plus, it comes with a free credit score dashboard, Capital One R, Venture R, Rewards credit card. For the travel enthusiasts out there, the Capital One R, Venture R, Rewards credit card offers 2 miles per dollar on every purchase and a generous 10 miles per dollar on hotels.com. With a waived annual fee for the first year and a 50,000-mile bonus, it's a great option for globetrotters. These are just a few recommendations, but you can find more by clicking the link in the description below. Let's move on to the next topic, online savings accounts. Now, let's talk about online savings accounts. With interest rates and fees varying widely, it's essential to find an account that suits your needs. Here are some standout options we recommend. SoFi Checking and Savings Account. Looking for high interest rates and a bonus? The SoFi Checking and Savings Account offers a competitive 2.25% APY and a $300 bonus when you set up direct deposit. With no fees, no minimums, and unlimited ATM reimbursements, it's a solid choice. Barclays Online Savings Account. For those who prioritize a reliable bank, the Barclays Online Savings Account provides a 2.20% APY and has earned a 4.5-star rating from NerdWallet. With no fees, no minimums, and 24/7 customer service, it's a top contender. CIT Bank Platinum Savings Account. If flexibility is what you seek, the CIT Bank Platinum Savings Account offers a 2.15% APY, lets you choose your monthly deposit amount, and comes with a user-friendly mobile app. Remember, these are just a few suggestions. To explore more options, click the link in the description below. Now, let's move on to our final topic, personal loans. Last but not least, let's talk about personal loans. Whether you're consolidating debt or funding a home improvement project, finding the right loan is crucial. Here are some standout options. SoFi Personal Loan. For those with good credit seeking a low rate, the SoFi Personal Loan offers a fixed APR ranging from 8.99% to 25.81% and loan amounts from $5,000 to $100,000. With no fees, no prepayment penalties, and a 5-star rating from NerdWallet, it's a top pick. Lightstream Personal Loan. If a fast approval process is essential, consider the Lightstream Personal Loan. With fixed APRs from 8.49% to 25.49%, loan amounts from $5,000 to $100,000, and same-day funding options, it's a convenient choice. Upstart Personal Loan. For those with fair credit looking for flexibility, the Upstart Personal Loan offers a fixed APR from 6.40% to 35.999%, a low minimum credit score requirement, a short repayment term, and even next-day funding options. Again, these are just a few recommendations. Click the link in the description below to explore more personal loan options. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and don't forget to visit our website for additional smart money tips and tools. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.